came into this life, brought up as an orphan child through a time of deep despair. Oh Muhammad, your days at work began as a fair and honest man. You showed just how much you care. And one night in that cave, when the archangel came, and your life in this world would never be the same. Rasulullah, Habiballah, your light is always showing me the way. Rasulullah, Habiballah, I'm longing for the day I see your face. You brighten up my day, and in my heart you'll stay. With every breath I take, I'll never leave your way. Eyes that could light up any soul, you became the chosen one to proclaim the word of God. Oh Muhammad, in the brightness of the sun, all the stars